Do you like doing fine, detailed work? Are you interested in helping people see better? Do you have patience? Then you may want to set your sights on a career as an optical laboratory technician. Optical laboratory technicians work in optical labs where they produce, assemble, and repair eyeglasses according to prescriptions. We spoke to an optical laboratory technician working in Alberta to get a clearer vision of this career.
Hi, my name is Louis, and I am an optical laboratory technician. As an optical lab technician, I am responsible for repairing glasses, adjusting glasses, and ensuring glasses are made correctly. When I start my shift, I'll come into the lab and I'll do some calibrations on the equipment. When an order comes into the lab, there's 5 steps that go into making the glasses. The first step is grinding the lens. The second step is polishing the lens. The third is coating it. Then the fourth step is finishing and mounting the lenses into a frame. And the final step is going to be the quality inspection. You will check it for proper alignment. You'll make sure that all screws are tight and that the frame is usable and wearable. Once the glasses pass that quality inspection, then they're released to the retail site. Some of the skills required when manufacturing glasses will entail things like being detail-oriented, being able to work with your hands, being able to multitask, working well with machinery as well too. And also in a lab setting, you'll be working closely with a number of other lab techs, so working with people is also essential. When operating equipment, you will be on your feet a lot. You will be standing most of the day. A lot of the work also includes finer details. So having some great manual dexterity is really good. Working with your hands as well. Everything is hands-on. There are a number of different tools that you will be using. Some of the tools are screwdrivers, needle nose pliers, and then some of the larger machines are what we use to actually manufacture the lenses. So we have like a grinder, we have a polisher, we have a coating machine. Then we'll use something called a lensometer. The lensometer is what we use to read the prescription. Depending on the type of lab that you work in, some of them will require different types of personal protective equipment. So some of the larger manufacturing labs will require the use of earplugs, safety masks, gloves, and eye goggles. When I was working in a large manufacturing lab, it was quite fast-paced. We were making about 500 pairs of glasses a week. And in a smaller optical where I am now, we make anywhere from 80 to 100 pairs of glasses a week. There is no formal education required to be a lab technician, and you do learn on the job. Having a high school diploma and an interest in math and science is an asset. In terms of advancement opportunities, I myself started as a lab tech and I did move up into the role of lab manager. If you're wanting to be an optical lab tech, I think you would enjoy it if you like working with your hands, you like fast-paced environments, and you like working with people. I am very proud when I put out a pair of glasses that pass standards 100%, and it's also really satisfying to actually see a patient put on a pair of glasses that you made and be able to see, and it's almost like you're giving them the gift of sight.
To get into the right frame of mind for a career as an optical laboratory technician, you must have fine motor skills and mechanical ability. If you are patient and enjoy working within clear guidelines and following step-by-step procedures, then you might see your way clearly towards a career as an optical laboratory technician. Focus in on the details and find out more about this occupation, including training requirements and salary ranges, in the occupational profile on the ALICE website. While you're there, check out some related occupations, including optician, ophthalmic medical personnel, and hearing aid practitioner. Explore the possibilities. Go to alice.alberta.ca.